your breaks, travelling or turning, for example. So here we're going to do a couple of the breaks you would have learnt within my series, turning. So let's start with a single break, turning. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Then when we have the left foot, we obviously have to turn to the left. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. You can make a whole turn, half a turn, or if you're very clever, 2 turns doing 1 break. Have a try, see what you can do with that. Let's try now turning a triple break with a semi-wing. If you don't know how to do these, go back and look at the actual videos. So here we go. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, semi-wing, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, semi-wing, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. So have a go at turning some different breaks. Look through all my break videos to see which ones you could try. Other variations of breaks, you could add things in between, such as spring toes. So let's do a normal single break, but with a spring toe in the middle. Shuffle, hop, spring toe, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Shuffle, hop, spring toe, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Shuffle, hop, spring toe, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Shuffle, hop, spring toe, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. So have a try again at all your different breaks and just throw that toe in the middle. Now let's add tap spring toe hop into that single break. Single break with tap spring toe hop inserted in the middle. Shuffle, hop, spring, tap spring toe hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Shuffle, hop, spring, tap spring toe hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Shuffle, hop, spring, tap spring toe hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Shuffle, hop, spring, tap spring toe hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Let's try it with a double now. So there's going to be 2 tap springs, isn't there, for a double break and then the tap spring toe hop. And shuffle, hop, tap spring toe hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Shuffle, hop, tap spring toe hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Let's try with a triple break now, with tap spring toe hop inserted. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, tap spring toe hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, tap spring toe hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, full change. So have fun, try those out. Maybe even incorporate those turning or travelling as well.